I'm here today with the Elenium HealthGate in the podium form factor, and I'm going to explain to you the advanced features that we have incorporated into this device. It includes a multi-sensor array which has both touchless features and health screening features. And you can actually see the individual features in this model, which includes the entire Elenium sensor array. So we have multiple cameras that can actually look at you in different wavelengths of light. We have a very advanced thermographic camera that can look at very minute changes in temperature. We also have the microphone array, which can pick up your voice for advanced voice control even in loud environments. Elenium HealthGate includes very accurate near-infrared cameras to detect heart rate and respiratory rate. It also has a very high-definition camera which can be used for features like biometrics, as well as a microphone array that can be used for voice commands in a very loud environment. This podium device includes a 10-inch screen which can be controlled touchlessly by simply looking at the particular area of the screen, and you can easily maneuver the device and install it and deploy it wherever by simply running power to it. To use Elenium HealthGate, you simply walk up to the device, it will detect your proximity. You can then select the language you like to use by simply looking at the area of the screen. Again, this is all touchless. It will now take my vital signs. And I'm now asked a number of questions. The first one, am I feeling unwell? Do I have any sort of symptoms? No. Have I recently been in contact with anyone that's had a COVID positive test? No. Am I waiting for the results of a test? No. These questions are entirely customizable, and it's now told me I'm able to proceed. To answer the health declaration on a mobile web page, you simply go to the URL and select the language you wish to use. You then enter your contact details. You're then presented with a number of questions which are customizable. For example, the first question here is asking if I have any symptoms. No. Whether I've been in contact with anyone that's had COVID-19 in the last 14 days. No. And whether I'm waiting for a test or someone in my residence waiting for a test result. No. The QR code is then generated and you scan this upon entry on the HealthGate device. To use Elenium HealthGate with a mobile device, you simply walk up to the podium, scan the QR code, and then you'll have your vital sign readings taken, and then you can proceed to work. Elenium HealthGate also comes in a desktop form factor which has all the same capability of the podium device, but it can be placed on a reception desk or any other type of tabletop.